are chatting at Jamaica settings, though. Yeah, man, it's a tattoo settings. Yeah, man, it's a tattoo settings.
But you know blood clot show. You tell me if you set the phone, man. How far in your blood clot live? Yeah, run.
I'm foreign in it. I have the setting. We might go to the skin and I want fire.
So how was the blood clot fire?
Yeah, I'm going to say something on the WhatsApp there. I'm going to press the red button. You see what I mean? The top press the red button. You see how the light button turn you up. Tell a friend about it. You know what I mean? I say things. I go to the bank, sit up on me and the gang easy back. When you talk about gang, I this thing with gang do. Roast about food and enjoy yourself, cook food, boil soup, everything from the ends. But we're not doing the bad man thing from the ends, we're not doing that something. So if you want to come join me, you can come join me anytime you feel like. But you know roast it. See that small roast, small roast, and roast it. Me about it. We're not chopping.
Well done, good for you.
Yeah, man, I say a thing set though. A buffalo thing. Yes, man, I say a thing set. I turn buffalo. Because you must think of chatting's business. Though. Yeah, man, I roast buffalo. You see all this summer here, you know good again. And if you tell you, just come join me. You easy to find. A couple minutes drive and watch it. Think of chattings. I say a thing set though. Yeah, man. They are going to roast some buffalo and enjoy yourself. Certain set. I say certain set. Kick out, we have to kick out anytime you know. All our dog end up on the ends. See that? All our dog end up on the ends. Music, everything I play. You think I chatting, kick out.